But that wouldn't affect your driving test, okay? You did nothing wrong. Now go up into gear 4. Now we're going to keep to the right and continue following the road ahead. Yeah. Continue following the road ahead. We're following the sign for the airport. Now you need to continuously make sure that you're in the centre of your lane. How would you be doing that? Well done, well done.
I thought I did wrong, should have slowed.
It was correct what you did. Perfectly fine, no issues, no problem. If you didn't, I would have done it for you. So this is a substantial improvement from outside the test centre to this.
Is it alright to brake like that?
Well, there's nothing else you could do. It's either that or go through the
It
lights.
didn't go amber for, it took literally 2 seconds.
But you control the car and you stopped. And next time, look in your rear view mirror though. So you know you're aware of what's going on around you. Do you see how he's turned his siren off? And now he'll turn his siren on when he moves off. Sometimes they also switch off their lights. So sometimes they'll switch the lights off and the horn off, especially when it comes to solid white lines. So they don't want you doing anything illegal for them. So can you remember what sign we're following?
Airport.
Yeah. Okay, when we follow the sign for the airport, when we get to the roundabout, I'll give you this instruction first. So you just follow the signs for the airport. Can you see the signs for the airport?
Yes. First exit.
What would you need to do?
Left lane.
Go up in gears. Come on, you need to go up in gears. Remember, you're driving a manual car, you have to show you understand. So would it be the first exit left at the roundabout?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, so